Jerusalem, Ikayanami. I'm doing great. Good evening. Happy. Hey, let me bring my phone. We are going to YouTube very soon, eh? We'll go finish and there. Oh, thank you, share. Let me bring my phone, sorry. Good evening, guys. How you guys doing? Hope we are doing well. You guys are doing well. Now they do well. I feel like dancing. Share the video. Australia. Hello. Hello, good evening, ma. Good evening. Hello, good evening, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Oh, you had me on my WhatsApp with this number, ma. You add me on my WhatsApp and I'll give you the price, man. Add me on my WhatsApp, let me know, I'll give you the price of the waist trainer. No, I'm the one. You can't see it now, I'm the one. I'm the one talking to you. If you're watching me now, yeah, I'm the one. It's because you're watching me there. I'm the one. The person that called just now, I'm the one. You're watching me. You don't know. You're coming for Australia? I'm the one. No, I'm the one. She thinks I'm not the one. I'm the one. I'm the one. Order for your waist trainer. Add me on my WhatsApp. The lady that just called me now. Add me on my WhatsApp and order yours. Order for your waist trainer. Okay? Order for your waist trainer. Oh, let me pause this music. Order for your waist trainer. I'm the one. Check it out. I'm the one. Moi, na me. Now me you call yours now. All that, share the video, call for your waist trainer. How am I going to do this now? I'm wearing one inside. Check it out. One. Okay, let me put this one. Let me put this one. You can see. Take another picture. Man, I will come back for my pants bra advert. This is just the beginning. My new collection will soon come out, so you come and take picture. Just come and take pictures. Come and take pictures. So there's a. I'm wearing one inside. You see this one. There's the inner one, and this one is the outside one. Okay, this one is the outside one. So let me feel them. Feel it. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, I just want to drop this little one here so that from here we'll go to YouTube. If you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. For see you guys there very soon in 5 minutes. Okay, let me put this one so that you can see. Shake them. It pay you. I make your man. It pay you well. Thanks to all. God bless you guys. All my lovers, my friends, and if you there here, you say you never see know me. You know, now different people tell they no person for this word. Okay, for you, if you saying a bad thing. Let me greet my fans. Good evening, fans. Good evening, guys. Good evening, haters, loved ones. I love you all. You guys are doing well. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. From here, we'll be going to YouTube very soon. Okay? So thank you for being here. I really appreciate. If I know, I need to appreciate you now. What in again? If I don't appreciate you now, God bless you all. Thank you for the video that go viral, and so many people know me now. Is either for good or bad? But for me, I feel it's good. Okay? Thank you for all the share. And for those that thinks that picture, if you see my picture anywhere, I'm the one that did the video. Okay, I'm conscious of it. I did it. Not be person doing for me. I talk and say anything when I they bring on me they do. Not be person. Then nobody can't take that video from my phone. Nobody can't take the picture. Now me purposely doing. So it's going viral. I love it like that. Bruh. If you not go where you go, I need it to go viral. Okay, and please order your waist trainer. And for my new collection, for pants and bra, the advert will soon be out. Okay, I'll be doing that very soon. And don't forget, my birthday is coming soon, so we're going to celebrate it too. I'm going to celebrate it with you guys. I will celebrate it with you now. On the 7th of July. Don't forget. Don't just forget. God bless you. God bless you. Share this video, please. Oh, where's my mommy, Monica? Okay, she's not here. Thank you. And my number for my business, okay? And if you want to say anything, about me, please leave it on my video, okay? My number here there is for my business. Don't call my number. If anything you want to say, now me permit you now. I give you now. Just drop it there. You are doing well. You are doing well. So drop anything you want to say there. But my number is exclusive. I repeat, exclusive for my business, okay, for my waist trainer, and for the pint and bra, the advert I'm doing for my advert, okay, that's the number. If you want to call, I've been nice, anything you want to say, you drop it here. Now me give you permission, drop it here. My number there is for my business, okay? Anything you want to say, I don't care, okay? Please. And I still appreciate it. I still appreciate your comment. I appreciate your sharing. I still appreciate all of you. May God bless you now. Bless, I will bless you now. I have nothing to say to you guys, but just to be blessing you guys. Okay, let me put this waistline. The inner one, I've showed it before. Okay, I've showed the inner one before. So let me show the other one. We'll be going to YouTube very soon. So if you want to join me there, you are free. You are very free. Okay, God bless you. I talk and say, me, apart from all the nonsense when she dey fuck, she dey do this one. Now me go dey bring talk for una, me una dey talk every time. Now me go dey bring things out. I told one of my friends, I say I will be doing a massive one, and I never even do the massive one. Now me go dey give una topic, all those so that you dey give una make just the, because na summer we dey so, and I supposed to dey go beach. I never threw my driver license, so I need to dey wear my all the sample I want to dey sample for beach, all the workout I need to dey you know why they do. I need to do a year, I beg. And if you don't like it, sorry for you, okay? Is what I like. Sorry if you don't like it. So please, no verse, not before every my video. I always say it every time that my video is not for everyone. It's not for everyone. It's for mature brain, mature. Even when they think well, and mature people get them. Not before boys, not before small pikin. Or it be a car. Where if it may be a car, you look my video like small pikin, you not before small pikin, not before children. Okay, the children should make una dey back, make una not dey front line, make una dey back so that when the mature, you know, it's for mature people anyway. So let's go to my YouTube now. See you guys there. Let's go and finish it there. Pepper there, the number one pepper there gang. You don't want to know. Leave everything you want to say. I love you all. Thank you so much. God will bless you. And God will bless my subscribers, my loved ones, all of you. I say may God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I thought I say I know go anything where you won't comment. I know go they read comment. Now the good ones I will they read. I will they leave the other ones and leave anything. Your opinion is allowed. You know, I'm entitled to do like a messaga de concordance, like anything that comes out of here. So that's how I can't think and say you too, you dey entitled to say anything you want to say. That does not define me anyway. So that's how you can say it here. Just say it here, no problem. Anything you please say it here. Leave it, make sure you leave it here, please. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. Let's go to YouTube. Love you all. We have a sweet topic there. Let's go.